Today's topic: what is Shopify and how does it work? Shopify is one of the world's leading e-commerce platforms, allowing businesses of all sizes to create, manage, and scale their online stores. It provides users with a range of tools to sell products, manage inventory, process payments, and handle shipping, all within an easy-to-use interface. Whether you're a small business owner, a solo entrepreneur, or a large enterprise, Shopify offers solutions tailored to your needs. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore what Shopify is, how it works, its features, benefits, pricing, and more. What is Shopify? Shopify is a cloud-based, all-in-one e-commerce platform that enables individuals and businesses to set up online stores and sell products. It was founded in 2006 by Tobias, Lucky, Daniel Winan, and Scott Lake after they struggled to find a good e-commerce solution for selling snowboarding equipment. Today, Shopify powers millions of businesses across 175 countries. Unlike traditional website building platforms that require extensive coding knowledge, Shopify provides a user-friendly interface that simplifies the process of launching an online store. With Shopify, you can sell physical goods, digital products, services, and even subscriptions. How does Shopify work? Shopify works by providing a comprehensive set of tools for creating, managing, and growing an online store. Here's a step-by-step breakdown of how Shopify works. 1. Sign up and choose a plan. To get started with Shopify, you need to create an account. Shopify offers a free trial, usually 14 days, allowing users to explore the platform before committing to a paid plan. After signing up, you can choose a pricing plan based on your business needs. 2. Set up your store. Once you log in, Shopify provides a user-friendly dashboard where you can choose a theme for your store, free or paid. Customize the layout, fonts, and colors. Add your business logo and branding. Configure domain settings. You can use a Shopify provided domain or connect your own. 3. Add products. You can add products manually or import them in bulk. Each product listing requires product title, description, pricing, images / videos. Variants, for example, sizes, colors, inventory details, shipping options. Shopify also allows businesses to sell digital downloads, services, and subscriptions. 4. Configure payment and shipping. To process payments, Shopify integrates with over 100 payment gateways, including Shopify Payments, Shopify's built-in payment processor, PayPal, Stripe, Apple Pay, Google Pay. For shipping, Shopify provides real-time carrier shipping rates, label printing, and fulfillment options through partners like UPS, DHL, and FedEx. 5. Launch your store. After setting up your products and configurations, you can launch your store by connecting a domain, enabling payment processing, setting up marketing strategies. Once live, customers can visit your store, browse products, and make purchases. 6. Manage your business. Shopify provides tools to track and manage your business operations, including order management, customer management, analytics and reports, marketing automation. Inventory tracking. You can also install Shopify apps to enhance your store's functionality. Key features of Shopify. 1. Storefront customization. Shopify offers a variety of professionally designed themes, both free and paid. The drag and drop editor allows easy customization without coding knowledge. For more advanced customization, Shopify supports HTML, CSS, and Liquid Shopify's templating language. 2. Product management. Unlimited product listings. Bulk product import/export. SKU and barcode support. Inventory tracking. Automatic tax calculations. 3. Payment processing. Shopify Payments allows businesses to accept credit or debit cards without third-party transaction fees. Shopify also supports alternative payment methods like cryptocurrency. For shipping and fulfillment, real-time shipping rates. Custom shipping zones, local pickup and delivery options. Shopify fulfillment network. 5. Marketing and SEO tools. SEO-friendly site structure. Blog functionality. Email marketing integration. Social media selling. Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Google Shopping integration. 6. Analytics and reporting. Sales and customer reports. Traffic insights. Abandoned cart recovery. Performance tracking. 7. Shopify apps and integrations. The Shopify App Store has thousands of apps for extending store functionality, including dropshipping tools, Oberlo, Spocket. Print-on-demand services, Printify, Printful. Customer support, LiveChat, chatbots closing parenthesis. Accounting tools, QuickBooks, Xero. Shopify pricing plans. Shopify offers different pricing plans to suit businesses of all sizes. 1. Basic Shopify $39 a month, ideal for new businesses. 2. Shopify $105 a month. Best for growing businesses. 3. Advanced Shopify $399 month. Designed for scaling businesses. For Shopify Plus, custom pricing, enterprise level solution. Each plan offers different transaction fees, features, and staff accounts. Benefits of using Shopify. 1. Ease of use. Shopify's intuitive interface allows anyone to build a store without technical skills. 2. Scalability. From small startups to large enterprises, Shopify can scale as your business grows. 3. Security and reliability. Shopify provides SSL, encryption, fraud analysis, and secure payment processing. 4. Mobile optimization. All Shopify themes are mobile-friendly, ensuring a seamless shopping experience. 5. Multi-channel selling. Sell on various platforms, including Amazon, eBay, Facebook, and Instagram. 6. Strong community and support. Shopify offers 24/7 customer support, tutorials, and an active community forum. Who should use Shopify? Small business owners looking for an easy-to-use platform. Entrepreneurs wanting to start an online store without coding knowledge. Dropshippers who want a streamlined process. Brick-and-mortar stores wanting to expand online. enterprises needing a scalable e-commerce solution. Conclusion: Shopify is a powerful and flexible e-commerce platform that makes it easy for businesses to sell online. With a wide range of features, strong security, and extensive support, Shopify is an excellent choice for anyone looking to start or scale an online store. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced seller, Shopify provides the tools you need to succeed in the world of e-commerce.